Let's see how to mirror text in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to mirror this text right here. And so what we can do is first insert this text as a word art. And to do that, simply highlight the text, click on the insert tab, and look for word art. And it should be right here under the text section. And from here, just click on any of these like that. Now from here, click on Shape Effects, click on 3D Rotation. Now click on 3D Rotation options down here. And from here, make sure that you change the X rotation into 180 degrees. And as you can see, our text is now a mirror of what it used to look like. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.